Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Myself Satyam Misra, and today I am going to make a video at the third topic of forms of poetry. So here the third topic is the epic. So today I will explain you all the detail related to this topic of epic. Means what is the meaning of epic, what is the theme of epic, what is the definition of epic, and how many famous epics are written by the English poem writer. So today I am going to explain. First, epic means क्या होता है? एपिक मीन्स होता है महाकाव्य, और एपिक के जो थीम है उसको हम हिंदी में ये कह सकते हैं कि किसी बड़े महान साहसी व्यक्ति के जीवन के ऊपर या उसके द्वारा किए गए अच्छे कार्यों के ऊपर जो रचनाएं लिखी जाती हैं, जो उसके जीवन के संघर्षों को, उसके जीवन के कठिनाइयों को, उसके जीवन के साहसिक और अच्छे कार्यों का वर्णन करती हैं, वही एपिक कही जाती हैं. In English, we can say very easily the definition or the theme of epic here, that epic is a long narrative poem that relates heroic actions or noble actions of a hero in an elevated style. It is a long narrative poem of dignified theme, organic unity, orderly progress of actions in grand style. So this is the theme of epic here in English. Or in English I can easily explain you in a very single line that the actions, that the noble actions of good man, that is going to be present in the form of book or in the form of verse, that is going to be known as the epic. Here I have given 5 more examples of famous epic of that time. Among them, the first epic name is this, the Ramayana. You know, Valmiki. In Sanskrit, the Ramayana has been written by Valmiki, Maharshi Valmiki, and after that, it also has been written by Tulsidas in the form of Ramcharitmanas. After that, the Mahabharata, the second famous epic of that time, that has been written by Vedvyas, Maharshi Vedvyas in 350 BCE. After that, another famous epic that has been written by the English poet Paradise Lost by John Milton, and this Paradise Lost has been written by John Milton in 1667. After that, another famous epic name is here Sohrab and Rustam by Matthew Arnold, and this epic has been written by Matthew Arnold in 1853. And the Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope in 1740, that is also the name of a famous smoke epic here. So these are the examples of the related topic, the epic here. Means I have already explained you all the thing, means meaning of epic, theme of epic, definition of epic, examples, famous examples of epic, and their poet names and their publication years also. So it is enough for this topic epic here. And today I would like to special thanks to all of you for giving me such a great affection and help, because affections and help of you I have crossed the 100 subscriber on my YouTube channel only 2 days. So it's enough. And if you all are getting well, all the things which I am delivering here, so please like and subscribe my channel Effective Education Point. Thank you.